Let's talk about a math or arithmetic operation inside the filter function in your Google Sheets. So suppose you have a table and you want to calculate a different percentage based on which amount or which sum you've got, and by simple multiplication and everything else works in array and of course works with filter function. And let's see how you can achieve this. Okay, let's see. Here are our, I don't know, people or some clients or so forth, or our employees, and we need to calculate tax, and tax will depend on the sum. If sum is bigger, then the tax will be bigger in our example. And let's see how to give the result. Let's say if number at this row number of earnings is less than 49, then 0%, and we don't need taxation. We don't need tax in this way. So how to calculate these taxes? Okay, first of all we'll do a filter function and we'll reproduce names and these amounts, and we need to condition it. So the condition is this must be more than 49, because less than 49 and including 49 is 0%. So we have this table, and next we need to produce an operation. So I can do it easily like this. I want to multiply by 3% here and get our percentage. But we also wanted to add some interesting conditions here. So let's go ahead and do these conditions. Add this multiplication sign, and next if this one is greater than 99, then 3%. Else, what if? I don't need this opening brand here, so I'll get rid of this. Another if this one is bigger than 499, then I guess it was 1.5%. And in other cases it will be only 1%, so the lowest tax is 1%. So I guess I opened and closed or printed this correctly. You see when I selected, this one is also highlighted for me, so this should be right. And let's also add sum so we see and we can check the percentage too. So for now we can see these percentages too, and if I divide this by this, I see what amount of percents I've got. Yeah, let's see it. Okay. This number is big and we have 3%, this number is intermediate number, and the lowest percentage is here, and this number of 11 even didn't match our formula because we made this condition. Oh, it's great. Now you see our purpose, and we have done it, and we see any calculations are possible, and it's great. But let me show you one more short trick. I guess lots of you already know this because it is known trick with VLOOKUP. What if we do something like this? We put the lowest number 49 here, and it will be 0%, 0 and 8%. Next 499, and it will be 1.5%. And 99, it will be 3%. I guess this is correct because we need to make like a lower bound here. Maybe we will replace this with 500 and this with 1000. And let's see, it is our initial formula, and let's see the other formula, and we will be able to compare them. You see, I'll repeat, first of all, I repeat this. I don't want to print it again because I'm a lazy coder and I don't want to do the same work again and again. And let's see, instead of these nested ifs, I can do VLOOKUP. Let's see, VLOOKUP all these numbers, and I want to create semi-table of this comma, this percentage, you want to return them, and return second column. And you see this is sorted. We'll omit that, so it will be is sorted by default, and our range you see here is sorted. And next, let's see. You see the 0, which is incorrect. Let's fix this. 5. So we will give the lower bounds here. So the result is exactly the same, and you can see I can copy this, and now even not exactly the same. Let's see what it is and why. Oh, it's just because I made a mistake. I made this. I need to fix this with 1 here. So I made a mistake in my reference. Now the result is exactly the same as it was before, but let's compare our functions and let's see. Formula text, not forecast, formula text of this, and I bold this too, and you see it doesn't match my screen because I made some big, and this matches screen, so it produces less mess, and formula is easier to read. And also you can, like a bonus, you can adjust here. If I made a mistake here, and then I need to go inside the formula, and it's not convenient because I don't see it visually. I need to figure out what is in this formula, and here I can format it as I want to. And next, for instance, if this text was changed to 4%, okay, no problem, now it is 4. You see, it's much easier than going into the formula. So this is like a bonus trick for you, and this is like an idea of this video. So you can create any math operation on the fly within filter or within array formula.